Hello, this is 2017 or 2025 Grade 8 General Science MSLC exam Part 2. Thanks to Addis Ababa City Administration for preparing the exam. Question number 21. Suppose you burned magnesium ribbon in air and collected the white powder product in crucible. You added drops of water to the powder and shaken it. Then, red litmus paper is placed in the solution to observe color change. From this simple experiment, what should be the color of the litmus you placed in the solution? A. Blue, B. Red, C. White, or D. Pink? The answer is blue, because burning magnesium produces magnesium oxide. Dissolving magnesium oxide in water forms magnesium hydroxide, which is basic and turns red litmus paper to blue. Question number 22. A microscope is needed to view A. Ants, B. teeth, C. chicken egg, or D. onion cell. According to this question, a microscope is needed to view onion cell because cells are microscopic units of life, while ants, teeth, and eggs are visible to the naked eyes. Individual onion cells require a microscope to be seen. Good. Question number 23. Answer questions number 23 based on the following figure. Which one of the following structure of a cell represented by a given letter is correctly matched with its function? A. E traps light energy for photosynthesis. B. B is for controlling activities of a cell. C. F is jelly-like substance where other organelles found. Or D. G is fully permeable and materials to get in and out of a cell. The answer is F is a jelly-like substance where other organelles found. In the cell diagram, F points to the cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like substance where organelles are suspended. G is the cell membrane, which is semi-permeable or not fully. And B is the mitochondria, which is the powerhouse, not the control center. Good. Question number 24. Nerve is A. a cell, B. a tissue, C. an organ, or D. an organ system. The answer is a tissue. A nerve is a bundle of fibers or axons from many neurons, making it a tissue. Let's go. Question number 25. Which one of the following is a characteristic of living things to remove toxic materials and waste products? A. Reproduction, B. Respiration, C. Excretion, or D. Digestion. The correct answer for this question is excretion, because excretion is the biological process by which organisms eliminate metabolic waste products and toxic materials from their bodies. Nice. Question number 26. The best justification for use of scientific names than local names in science is that A. Local names are internationally accepted. B. Scientific names are made of two words. C. Scientific names are globally the same. Or D. Local names do not vary from place to place. The answer is scientific names are globally the same. Scientific names or binomial nomenclature provide a universal language for scientists worldwide, avoiding confusion caused by local or common names that vary by region. Question number 27. Which one of the following kingdom is correctly paired with their distinguishing characteristics? A. Animalia, autotrophic. B. Fungi, heterotrophic. C. Protista, prokaryotic. Or D. Monera, multicellular. The answer is fungi, heterotrophic. Fungi cannot produce their own food and must absorb nutrients from other sources, making them heterotrophic. Animals are also heterotrophic. Monera is prokaryotic and unicellular. Question number 28. One of the following is the correct example of organism with respect to the corresponding kingdom. A. Yeast, Monera. B. Toad, Plantia. C. Amoeba, Protista. Or D. Paramecium, Animalia. The correct example of organism with respect to the corresponding kingdom is Amoeba, Protista. Amoeba is a unicellular eukaryotic organism belonging to the kingdom Protista. Yeast is a fungus. Toads are animals, and Paramecium is also a protist. Question number 29. Angiosperms A. are non-flowering plants. B. are non-vascular plants. C. lack xylem and phloem. D. have enclosed seeds. The answer is have enclosed seeds. Angiosperms are flowering plants that produce seeds enclosed within a fruit. They are vascular plants containing both xylem and phloem. Dear viewers and listeners of this channel, how did you see so far? If you have any question or comment, you are welcome. If you find it useful, don't hesitate to like the channel. Thereby share for your friends. Let's go. Question number 30. A fluid-filled blister caused by herpes simplex virus is A. cold sore. B. wart. C. eczema. Or D. acne. A fluid-filled blister caused by herpes simplex virus is cold sore. Cold sore or fever blister are common fluid-filled blister on or around the lips caused by the herpes simplex virus. Great. Question number 31. Which one of the following is not the function of human muscular system? A. movement of the eye. B. pumping of blood. C. posture. Or D. hearing. If you say hearing, that's right, because hearing is primarily a function of the nervous system and the structures of the ear. Muscles assist in movement, which is eye, circulation, which is heart, and maintaining posture. Question number 32. Under which system is tendon included? A. circulatory system. B. skeletal system. C. excretory system. Or D. muscular system. The answer is muscular system. Tendons are fibrous tissues that connect muscles to bones, allowing for movement, and are thus considered part of the muscular system framework. Question number 33. Lack of eating fiber foods in the diet mainly causes A. diarrhea. B. gastritis. C. constipation. Or D. ulcer. Lack of eating fiber foods in the diet mainly causes constipation. Dietary fiber adds bulk to the stool and helps it pass through the digestive system. A lack of fiber often results in constipation. Let's go to question number 34. It says, cellular respiratory system is important in your body because it A. transports food along the alimentary canal, B. removes pathogenic microbes from the body, C. removes oxygen and water from the body, or D. degrades glucose with the presence of oxygen. The answer is degrades glucose with the presence of oxygen. Cellular respiration is the process where cells break down glucose using oxygen to release energy, which is ATP, for vital functions. Question number 35. As part of the circulatory system, leukocytes are used for A. blood clotting, B. transportation of food, C. transportation of oxygen, or D. prevention of disease-causing agent. As part of the circulatory system, leukocytes are used for prevention of disease-causing agent. Leukocytes, which are white blood cells, are a critical part of the immune system, helping the body fight off infections and foreign pathogens. Question number 36. Menstruation is A. the time when FSH in male produces testosterone, B. the discharge of blood through vagina after menopause, C. a sequence of events usually occurring every 4 months during the fertile period of the women, D. the time when the ovary produces matured egg due to the activities of FSH from pituitary gland. The answer is the time when the ovary produces matured egg due to the activities of FSH from pituitary gland. The menstrual cycle is driven from hormones like FSH, which stimulates the growth of egg follicles in the ovaries. Note, while choice D describes the follicular phase, menstruation itself is the shedding of the uterine lining in many contexts of these exams. D is the correct association with the cycle's biological start. Good, let's go. Question number 37. Which one of the following is biotic component of an ecosystem? A. sunlight, B. protozoa, C. algae, or D. plant. The answer is B, C, and D are all biotic. Note, the question likely meant which is not a biotic component, which is sunlight. Since you asked for the answer as written, D or plant or B or C are biotic, which are living components. Question number 38. In the following ocean food chain, phytoplankton, zooplankton, fish, seal, and shark. A. Phytoplankton is a primary consumer. B. Fish is a tertiary consumer. C. Seal is the fourth trophic level. Or D. Shark is the last producer. The answer is seal is the fourth trophic level. Phytoplankton, which is the producer, zooplankton, primary consumer, fish, secondary consumer, and seal, which is tertiary consumer, the fourth trophic level. Question number 39. Which one of the following is correct with regard to clay soil? Clay soil, A, has the largest pore space, B, has larger size than sand soil? C. Holds more air than other types of soil? D. Holds relatively large amount of water. The answer is holds relatively large amount of water. Clay has very small particles and tiny pore spaces, which allows it to retain large amount of water but very little air. Question number 40. The best water conservation strategy among the following is A. Deforestation, B. Contour plowing, C. Crop rotation, or D. Overgrazing. The correct answer here is contour plowing. Contour plowing creates ridges that slow down water runoff, helping the soil absorb more water and preventing erosion. This is all for part 2. Dear viewers and listeners of this channel, how did you get so far? If you have any question or comment concerning these questions, answers and explanations, you are welcome. If you find it useful, don't hesitate to like it and thereby share and subscribe the channel. See you in part 3. Good luck.